it's Hasan, and today I'm going to be recreating a look that I've been doing a lot recently during Ramadan. I have been having my exams, so I'm kind of doing this Niqab tutorial that I'm going to show you. If you want to know how I do my everyday Niqab tutorial without hijab cap, then just keep on watching. So before I get started, I want to talk about my hijab which I'll be using in this video. Their name is Orna Hizab Godown. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a Bangladesh brand, and they actually sent me 2 of these scarves to do a tutorial, so I thought I might as well just do it. The one that I'm going to be using today is, I don't know what kind of material this is, but I really like it. It's kind of like shiny, but also it's very soft, but also a little stiff, so it's good for, like, you know, everyday purposes, or maybe for, like, you know, fancy purposes, to be honest. I feel like it's more a little fancy, you can see the shine. And also I think it'll be really nice to use this without a hijab cap as well, because it's not slippery. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using today. And as I'm not using hijab cap, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to have this much turned over, just to make sure it gives a little grip. Once I have done that, I'm going to pin it here down my chin using a cockroach pin. Once that's pinned, and now, as you know, I'm really enjoying my layers, so I'm just going to go with a layer. But this is like different styles, so I'm actually going to go with a layer first. Something like this much, as you can tell. So actually, before pinning it, I'm actually going to take the side, which is left down here, and I'm just going to cover my face using this. And by the way, you don't have to use Niqab, or the one I've done underneath. I'm just doing it for the sake of the video, to cover my face. Now you can actually even do it on top. I personally don't like it. You can do it as where you want to, so you can actually pin it before and then do it on top like this. Or I'm actually going to do it underneath, because that's my personal preference. Once that's pinned, I'm going to cover both sides. I'm going to pin them here on both sides like that. Now whatever's left, I'm just going to, down here where you can see, I'm just going to take it on the other side and make another layer. I'm going to make another crease. I don't know what to say. And I'm just going to cover this pin like that, just so it can go, everyone can tell. And I'm going to pin it here using a scarf pin. And I'm going to take another one as well and do the same thing on this side. But this is like my everyday Niqab style that I've been doing during Ramadan as I'm going for exam, or if you have to even go for like a maybe like nice iftar party, or maybe like simple casual everyday, I thought this will be very nice. And since it's without hijab cap, I mean, I live in Pakistan where it's like 40 degrees Celsius literally. Doing, you know, hijab without hijab cap is actually very nice. So yeah, there you go. Make sure you check out Orna Hizab Godown. I will definitely leave a link to their shop and their links, etc. in the description box. I'm really liking this hijab actually. Oh, and also they sent me their photo of their shop in 360 degrees. Don't get me wrong, I know we're living in such a very latest technology, but I love that. I love how I could see the whole shop. They are based in Bangladesh, but they do ship. They're available in Bangladesh, and I hope they will be available in India and all those places as well. And this is not sponsored, by the way. I hope you're having a great Ramadan, and I shall see you inshallah in my next video. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz. You want to take a photo? Oh. And then that would today I'm going to be showing you how to do a very simple, easy, no, not very simple, easy at all. And so yeah, if you want to know how I do a very simple, so if you want to know how I do a very quick and easy, it's the
मैं 5 साल में